Mel 2204, your pageant vlogger host. Subscribe.
Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers. Congratulations to our very own Miss Philippines Anita Rose Gomez for winning the first runner-up sa Miss Asia Pacific International 2025. Tunay na ipinamalas ni Anita ang ganda, talino at puso ng isang Filipina Queen. Mula sa preliminary rounds hanggang sa coronation night, consistent ang kanyang performance at grace under pressure. Hindi man naiuwi ang corona, tagumpay rin ito para sa Pilipinas dahil ipinakita niya ang tunay na diwa ng Miss Asia Pacific, beauty with a purpose, elegance with heart, and confidence with humility. Once again, congratulations to our very own Miss Anita Rose Gomez, our Miss Asia Pacific first runner-up. Samantala, sa pagtatapos ng isang makasaysayang gabi ng inspirasyon, congratulations to our newly crowned Miss Asia Pacific International 2025, Miss Brazil. Muli, congratulations to our winners of Miss Asia Pacific International 2025. Maraming salamat din sa inyong pagsuporta at pagsubaybay. Maraming salamat sa pag-subscribe.